Candace Carter, thoughts to go. I I lost someone this week. Someone died that was very important to me, and been kind of a little bit off the grid because of that, which is normal. And you know, if you reach any age above 10, even below that, you may have lost a person. Someone may have died in your life. Someone important. It's even bad for kids when their parents die when they're very young. But it's always bad when your parents die. It's just the pets. Okay, and then you make friends, and the older you get, the more you lose at crazy times. And then you have a third group of people, I would say, next to your relatives and your friends. And these are the people who, how can I say it? They influenced you to an extent that it was life-changing. It was something that impressed you about them that you never lost. You know, like going back to school, you remember teachers, maybe just, you never have a lot. Maybe one or two teachers that inspired you, that helped you along your way. You never know where you're going to meet these people, but when you do, you know they're important for you. You know they have inspired you. You know they have gone with you, a part of your life, a part of your road, your personal road. So the person that died this week, actually just a few days ago, was a person of this third group I have known for maybe 20 years, and a person that was much younger. I mean, he died in a second. I don't know what you call it. It's like a heart attack. It just takes you. They call it here in German Herz-Sekundentod. And you just, I mean, they found him in his bed in the morning, and he had died in the night, just like that. And okay, that's great if you're 85 or 90, but he was like 51. So we lost him, and he was important to a lot of people. He was important to my family. He buried my husband. He married my daughter to, I mean, he didn't marry my daughter. He did the celebration of marriage for my daughter and my son-in-law. My son loved him very much too. We were all, in shock, and not only us. That's the great part about really great people. You find out a lot of stuff after they die about them that they didn't make a big deal about. You find out how many lives they touched, how many crazy, wonderful things they did, but they never really talked about them a lot. They were not one of these, somebody that has to be in the middle of attention all the time. They were he was a great guy, and I would not be the same person I am now if I had not had him in my life. So this is a little tiny elegy to this person, to Achim. I will miss you, and when someone new dies in your house of your soul, it just breaks open other wounds. In missing my husband and even my parents who've been gone for a long time, it opens up a room that you have maybe not been in for a while, and then you go into this room again. It's the room of those we loved that are dead, that still reach us through this room, and sometimes we go into this room, and sometimes it's important to be there for a while. So I've kind of been in this room for a week, and I just wanted, I guess that's what we call in English a eulogy. It's not much. It's just, I'm thankful. So when you lose somebody, don't, just suffer and feel the loss. And when the pain, feel the thankfulness too. It's what remains. It's what stays after the pain and the suffering is the thankfulness. Okay. Hope to see me next week. Okay. Bye bye.